Thinking about joining the Symbiosis Center for Distance Learning? Watch this before you decide. Before joining the SCDL, you should know the basic things about the SCDL. That SCDL stands for Symbiosis Center for Distance Learning. SCDL established after independence. Its largest autonomous distance learning institution was established in 2001. It was founded post-independence with the vision to provide quality education beyond traditional classrooms. And they offer you a variety of open and distance learning programs that meet the needs of diverse learners. Let's take a look at what they offer. They offer you a number of specialization in PGDM, Postgraduate Diploma in Business, Postgraduate Diploma in Information Administration Technology, Postgraduate Diploma in Human Resource Management, Postgraduate Diploma in International Business, and also provide you certificate programs in various specializations. So without wasting your time, let's get straight to the topic. What's the fees of the program, eligibility, duration, and admission process? First, to start your admission process, you need to visit the website and you can enroll online. This process is straightforward for all students. Make sure you complete and submit the form along with all the required documents such as previous mark sheet and photographs. Once you submit it, you will be given access to a specific portal where you will find all the study material and lectures related to your course. In terms of eligibility criteria, there is not much complexity. To enroll in PGDM, you need to have a bachelor's degree from recognized university. There is no specific percentage requirement. So whether you have a 60%, 65% or any other score, it doesn't matter as long as you have a qualified degree. To get into this program, the process is very easy. Visit the link in the description, fill your details and know more about the program. And in case if you have any doubt and question, comment on this video, and for more details, do connect with this channel.